In our last episode, we were in Guayaquil listening to some interesting stories. We made some new friends, we walked along the Malecon, and we went to the top of the city to have a nice view of the river. And now we will go on with our trip in Guayaquil.
Right now we are at Rodolfo Bacarizo Square. And from here we're gonna have a walk to Malecón del Salado and see a few things. It's a really nice way. Look at the nature, this park, the bridge. Good place for a walk, especially with this heat, the sun. It's very hot. This place is just refreshing.
This place is quite new. It was opened to the public in 2004 and it was part of the urban regeneration project carried out by the municipality of Guayaquil. Malecón del Salado was also part of the regeneration process. It is located in an estuary that is very common in Guayaquil's landscape. And there's a bridge, you can find fountains, squares, and places to eat, like the seafood square, where you can have a taste of Ecuadorian cuisine.
And now we're gonna cross to the other side to the linear park.
I was in Guayaquil 5 years ago. I live here. And this is one of these places that I haven't seen yet. So far it's quite nice. Here we can find some sculptures like this one called the Greeting Man that is a gift from the government of Korea.
And you can find iguanas anywhere in Guayaquil. Right, my friend.
This park goes along one of the estuaries and it's surrounded by mangroves. It reflects of the sky in the water. Water is so calm that it's almost like a perfect mirror.
What a lovely place for a walk in a sunny afternoon, with all the mango trees by the side. And some people are still getting the very inside. And just at the other side of the linear park we find this. This is called Guayarte. This is quite new. It has about 1 year and a half. It's a really nice place. And it's full of restaurants, bars, and art. So we're gonna have a look and enjoy this place before sunset.
Guayarte is an answer for the need of a space for urban art that the city needed, but it's also a place for music and other types of expressions.
And Guayarte, it's in one of the sides of the zigzag bridge. Well, it's easy to see why it's called zigzag.
The zigzag bridge is a metallic bridge that crosses one side to the other of the estuary. And here we can find some small sculptures of some iconic animals of Guayaquil.
And of course, more iguanas everywhere.
This pedestrian bridge joins the University of Guayaquil and the Catholic University, and it's also called the Paseo de la Juventud.
Eso, hagan sus payasadas. Dale, dale, dale. Figuretti.
In the other side of the zigzag bridge, Vallarta continues with a food court that is in two different stories made out of metallic containers, just like the ones that we saw on the other side. And right now, we are gonna get a little fancy in Guayaquil, and we are in a mall that is in the most expensive area of the city. This is Plaza Lagos in San Borondón. Plaza Lagos is more than just a mall. There is, of course, some shops and restaurants, but it also has a residential area inside of it. So it's quite a mixture of different uses for this place. It's in the San Borondón neighborhood that is one of the most expensive areas in Guayaquil. There's a lake inside this mall. There's very well-known restaurants, of course expensive, but it's nice anyway, and you can always come here and have a walk, especially at night. Right now we're back at Las Peñas, but during the night, so you're gonna have a glimpse of nightlife in Guayaquil.
In Las Peñas, we can find many bars, restaurants, and karaoke. Karaoke is quite popular in Guayaquil. Okay, we will go upstairs and see what we can find.
¿Cuándo me van a ir a visitar a Lima? Pronto. ¿No te quedes por Europa, no? Sí. Traigo un español.
So my trip to Guayaquil has come to its end. But I want to thank all the people of Couchsurfing Guayaquil for this wonderful trip, and especially to Andrea for taking me in her house. And next week we are going all the way down in Cusco, so see you then!